Many RV owners believe any chemical keeps tanks clean, but using the wrong product can cause clogs and odors. I'm an RV sanitation specialist with years of field experience. I've seen countless trips ruined by poor tank maintenance. RV sewer systems need targeted solutions for waste and odor. Let's break down the top 10 essential RV sewer chemicals. First, Camco TST Max Drop-Ins, citrus pods, 7-day odor control. No harsh chemicals, safe, simple, and highly effective. For gray water, Camco TST Odor Control eliminates odors, prevents grease. Environmentally safe, perfect for drains and sink traps. Camco TST Max Singles, double odor stopping power, citrus scent, breaks down waste, formaldehyde-free, easy to use. Happy campers. Treatment, powerful long-lasting odor control. One scoop treats 40 gallons, ideal for high-capacity tanks. Ultra-concentrated digested plus extra-strength bacteria and enzymes. Liquefies solids, eliminates odors, prevents clogs all year. Pure power. Blue, high-efficiency waste digester, fresh scent. Works in low temperatures, perfect for black and gray tanks. Clean It Black Tank Cleaner. Rapid sludge removal, odor elimination. Uses probiotics and enzymes, resets wastewater systems. Liquefied RV toilet treatment. Orange-scented enzyme formula. Prevents odor, breaks down waste, sensor-safe management. Porta-Pak. Pre-measured packets, spill-free convenience. Powerful odor control, easy tank cleaning for RVs and boats. Active RV digester. Biotic enzymes liquefy solids, deodorize tanks. Long-lasting maintenance, ideal for frequent travelers. These chemicals prevent clogs and odors, ensuring worry-free travel. Easy maintenance means more comfort during your outdoor adventures. I've tested these products. Results are consistent and reliable. No more sensor malfunctions, no more unpleasant surprises. Choose the right RV sewer chemicals for stress-free trips. Explore with confidence. Your RV system is protected. Click the link in the description and get your essentials today for a hassle-free adventure.